Hi, Bill Knighton with Right Angle. Today I'm going to show you how to install our acrylic shields, sneeze guards, on a student desk. You're going to see we downsized this for the demonstration. This is 12 inches by 12 inches, and normally they'd probably be 24 by 24. So this shield has 4 holes. The side shield has 2 holes, both of them. And why they have the holes is for our clip system that we use for our installation. So I'll quickly show you how these go on. They just snap in. You want to line them up with the hole. You'll hear that snap in. Side panels, it's the same thing. Just going to snap those together. Okay, you can see once the corner clips are in, it makes for a really sturdy installation. Now, the big thing is, there we go, want to make sure that they are in the holes. Again, you'll hear it snap in. So it's pretty sturdy on its own, and that's why we use these clips. It keeps the product square and organized. Now, we're using our clamp that does have a sliding bracket, which you can adjust with these 2 screws here. You'll just loosen these 2 screws up. It'll slide back and forth to fit different applications, especially if it's a radius top. Drop it in here into the slots. Now this one here is our freestanding bracket. I just wanted to see how this works if it's just sitting maybe on a counter or a desk. You want to make sure the acrylic shield is on top of the bracket and doesn't fall inside. You're going to tighten this up. Tighten up the freestanding bracket. And that'll be it for your installation. So it's very simple, easy to do. If you have any questions, please contact us at rightangleproducts.com. Thanks for watching.